Hi, welcome back everybody. This is Pam with Holidays and Celebrations, where we learn to celebrate the holidays. Now, as you guys know, I have a series of videos that I like to do called Getting Crafty with the Holidays. Since this channel is all about the holidays, I like to stick in there a video every now and then on a craft project that can be done for one of the holidays. So guys, what I'm working on here, I thought I would share this little sign project that I'm doing. I'm making about 25 of these little signs that say believe. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I make this in hopes that you guys will get some pointers here where you can make some of these at home as well. Okay, now this little sign, you can make signs any size you want at all. You can paint it on anything that you want. This little sign right here, I decided to make it about a 4x8 size, so that's what I'm working on here. So guys, if you want to get you a cup of coffee, sit back, relax. We're going to do a little bit of painting and have a little bit of holiday fun, okay? Okay guys, the first thing that I do, I went ahead and drilled the holes in my wood. I like my holes about an inch from the edge of the left and right side of the little signs. Now I have already went and sanded these edges, so I won't have to worry about that while I'm talking to you, okay? Now the first thing I want to do is I want to paint the red. The very first thing I'm going to do on the blank is I'm going to paint it with a red color. You can pick any color red you want. I actually will be using two different colors, red, a lighter red, and then a darker red color. Now, I like these little edges, and on a lot of my little signs, I'll leave the sanded edges white because I like how that looks if I left it. Like for instance, like this right here, where I would only paint to the edge. See how I did that right there? You see that? But on this particular one, I'm going to be painting the whole thing. I'm going to be painting the edges and everything on this, okay? So let me buff that out so that sharp line won't show on this. But like I said, I'm going to be painting with two different colors of red. A lighter red is going to be the base of the bottom, and then I'm going to be using a darker color red that I will be using as a trim color, okay? Now normally when I paint my signs, I like to actually paint my edges first, but since I'm not going to be finishing this whole thing, I went ahead and painted the top because I thought it was necessary for you to see the top first. Now a pointer for you guys is, for me, I like the holes drilled in first before I paint, because you can get paint down in the hole and it helps. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we now have all four sides painted. It looks really good. Now I'm going to lay it down right here, and I'm going to run back over the top real quick to get it smoothed out really well. Okay? Smooth out really well. Alright guys, that right there is all we have to do on that. I know I do this weird, but I like to clean my brushes out on my paint shirt that I have on, and then I'll stick my paintbrush in the water over here to sit. Alright guys, now the next thing I want to do is, I've got these in stages. This is the finished one here.